Hi friends, today we're going to be drawing a really cute little cow grazing in pasture, and I'm so excited. It turned out so cute. So follow along. Just start with 2 little dots for the eyes. Easy peasy. Then you want to draw a cute little snout, like so. Okay, then we're going in with a little smile. I like to call this guy my Pasture Princess. So then you're doing a W for the hair and 2 horns on each side. 1 horn here and 1 horn there. What we're going to do next is connect the horns with the rainbow. You see that? Easy peasy. And then we are doing a little slide for 1 ear and a smiley face. And another slide for the other ear and a smiley face. Okay, then we want to finish up that ear with a little curved line and another curved line sort of going down towards the face. Same little ditty on the other side, curved line going up to the ear and curved line going down to the face. Then we're gonna go ahead and draw the bell that's in the cow's mouth. She's holding a little bell like so, but who knows, maybe it's a tongue, up to you. And then doing a little smiley face right there, that's gonna be the belly. And then a line down for the first leg, curve it down a little bit at the end. That's gonna be one of the hooves. And then do a little L shape right there for the second leg and connect the first leg with a sort of round line. So all the shapes in this little cow are nice and soft and round. Round little belly like so. Then we're gonna do 1 long round line like this for the bum bum. Great. And connect that with a short and stout kind of leg and another leg peeking out. I'm leaving room here on each leg and not filling it in purposefully because we're going to add grass in those parts. So make sure you leave a little bit of room for that grass that's coming in now. And I'm going to add a little bit of a pasture just everywhere that I feel like doing. It's just nice and fun. You can do your own, see what you like. And I'm not gonna forget about the tail this time. So here comes the little tail with a little thingy at the end. I don't know what that's called. But yeah, all that's left now are the spots. So ideally after you're done, you can color these spots in. Brown or black, whatever you like, maybe even pink, and it can be a strawberry cow. And I'm going ahead and just adding another little line there for the chin because I felt like it. And I'm continuing to make spots. These spots can be big or small, they can be on the body anywhere you like. You can just get creative with it. Doesn't really matter where you put them or how. Just have fun with it, right? Because art is all about having fun. I love the way this turned out. I think it's so cute, and I think my daughter will really enjoy coloring it. I hope you try it, and let me know if you do, and feel free to make it your own with any kind of extra words or cute drawings you want to add to the side. I wanted to add the word milk, and then I wanted to add a little carton of milk on this left side. But of course you can add any of your own doodles, and please let me know in the comments what you end up drawing. I would love to see your drawings. Would absolutely love it. It would make my day. And yeah, yeah, leave me a comment if you've been following along with these videos. I can't wait to share more.